Does your business need dual authentication? A cyber attack is launched every 14 seconds. Over 80% of all data breaches in 2019 resulted from password hacks. 31% of all cyber attacks have small and medium enterprises as their target. Gone are the days when a single strong password provided sufficient security for an organization or individual. In today's digital world, malicious actors use sophisticated algorithms and crack a password in seconds. Dual authentication provides a second layer of defense to ensure foolproof protection. Here's how it works. Send a message to the user's device requesting acknowledgement. A one-time password is sent to the device. The user enters it in a designated box on the screen of the terminal. Thereby, even if an intruder steals the password, they cannot access the user's account because they don't have the code that was sent to the user's device. Hence the name dual authentication, password and an OTP code. It performs the following functions. It provides a double-layered shield against cyber threats by allowing users to verify themselves in more than one way. It only allows access after verifying all the authentication factors. So if you want your business assurance, accessibility, productivity, reduction of false positives, cost effectiveness, dual authentication just might be the answer that you or your business is looking for. Contact us and we'll be happy to show you how easy it is to put this technology to work for you.